Look at that, you guys. We caught a fish.
Oh, look, I see some fish in there. Go check it out, Patrick. You ready to go on an adventure? Okay, come on, let's go.
Look, right here.
He's under the mantle bed there. You know?
1, 2, 3. Wahoo! Ah!
Hey, you guys, welcome to the show. Today, we got our monster trucks here, El Toro Loco and the Dragon. We got Big Tonka here, and what did we catch, bro?
Look, a larvae.
Yeah, so Axel caught this little larvae right here. We also caught what? A fish? Look at that, you guys, we caught a fish. I don't know what it is. I think it might be a little trout.
Or a salmon.
Yeah, I don't think it's a salmon. I think it's a little trout. Look at that. You guys go down and see him underwater.
Look at the grab underwater. It's so cool. Look at the underwater grab. It's so cool.
Isn't that cool, you guys? Yeah, we're here. Really cool place. It's got a bunch of waterfalls here and a river's flowing right through here. That water's pretty deep and swift. So Axel has his life jacket on, right, bro? All right, we're gonna try to catch one more fish, okay? And then we're gonna play with our monster trucks. This place is a perfect monster truck arena, you guys. It's so cool.
Oh, look, I see some fish in there. Go check it out, Patrick.
Oh my gosh, the water's almost all the way gone. While we were looking for other fish, you guys, the water drained. We gotta fill it back up with water. All right, let him go right here, bro.
Yep. Water skater.
There you go. Hold on. There you go. Uh-oh. That fish is not doing so well. There it goes. There it goes. Hold on. Let him. There he goes.
Look at the grab.
Yeah, from being handled like that, the fish wasn't doing so well. But it's fine now. If you were underwater for a little bit too long, you would probably, when you got out of the water, be like, okay. I'm okay. The fish is gonna live, and it's swimming away. Look, there it goes. That's so cool. Go grow big, so something can eat you like a bear, right? Yeah, bear eat trout and salmon. See if we can catch a few more, okay?
That's a school.
Oh! Almost fell in. Nope. Oh, got one. Look at that. He's bouncing around.
Let's put him in the dumper.
Yeah, come on. Hurry. Here, you hold the net. All right, put him in. There it is. All right, let's catch another one. Got one. All right, Big Tonka, let's release the fish and the grub. Let's dump them in. There they go. Let's see. Let's watch them. Hold on. Don't touch them. Look out. Move your hand. I want to see them. Okay.
Grub.
Look. Oh, there goes one. And oh no. There goes the other.
Oh, what about
Bye-bye,
the
little
grub?
guys. Oh, the grub too. Dump the grub out. And there they are. Swim free,
Look,
little fishy.
the grub is swimming. The grub is swimming. Look. Oh, it was.
No, I'm kidding. He's trying to crawl. All right, you guys, we're gonna go across there to the Epic Monster Truck Arena, but we have this big river here that's flowing really fast and it's deep. So, I can only take one at a time. First, I'm gonna take Axel, and then I'll come back for the monster trucks and the dump trucks. You guys wait here, okay? Me and Axel will be right back.
I'm not gonna swim in there.
No, you get on my back. Here.
No, I'm not gonna even get on your back.
But you're not gonna swim. I'm gonna walk across with you.
Wait, oh.
Ready?
You're
Ready?
gonna walk across.
All right, whoa. Okay, we're gonna have to find a good place to cross. Okay? All right, bro, hold on tight, okay? Whoa. Whoa. Slippery. Oh, this water's flowing pretty fast. Whoa. Oh. All right, we made it. All right, I'm gonna go back and get the monster trucks. All right, you guys go underwater with me, okay? Come on, let's go back and get them. That was fast. Woo! The current carried us all the way down to the dump trucks and the monster trucks. All right, you guys, come on, let's go. Alright, Axel, I'm gonna throw the monster truck to you, okay? Alright, you ready up there, loco? Oh, I'm ready. Pull me, Axel. Ready, bro? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, get him, bro, get him fast. Alright, now for the dragon, you ready? Catch. Oh. Alright, Big Tonka's gonna have to go across with me. Alright, Big Tonka, well, I know you can't swim. You're gonna have to go across with me, okay? Alright, let's go! Ready? Here we go, Big Tonka! Nice and steady! Oh. That current really carried us! I almost went away!
All right, Dragon.
Let's go on an adventure.
You ready to go on an adventure? Okay, come on, let's go.
Run out of gasoline. Stop at the gasoline station.
Okay, yeah, we're stopping at the gas station.
What I do to get gasoline is I breathe fire on the gasoline can, and then it goes all up in flames.
Oh,
Then-
yeah, let's not breathe fire on the gasoline.
No, fire is
That's
not
not
gas.
good. Ready, go.
Did this hurt? Did I burn you?
Oh, no, you can't burn me. Ha ha ha.
I breathed fire on you.
Hey, look at this ramp. Here, come on, ramp off with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
Funny ramp.
Are you trying to crash into me? That's so funny.
What is it, man?
Look.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow, look at this. You guys, this is a perfect monster truck arena. These rocks are so smooth, but it's like so cool. Oh,
Over here.
I wish that I could be inside this monster truck riding around. It'd be so cool. Wouldn't that be cool? Dude. All these smooth crevices, you guys, are so cool for monster truck riding.
Look, ramp right here.
You fell into this crevice. There's so many of these little like crevices, these little like pothole things. You can just go down in and oh no, I'm stuck.
Help me, Dragon.
I burned up the rock.
Oh, okay.
Get out.
Thank you. Yeah, these little potholes, you guys, are so cool.
Oh, that's a dirty diaper, man. Somebody left a dirty diaper there. That's gross. Ew. Let's get away
It
from
smells stinky.
it. Smells stinky. Ew.
You gonna jump across there, bro? Oh, nice leap, man. That was awesome.
You want a present?
I was going back. Oh, I was going backwards. Did you see that? Oh, you have a present for me? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. You see that flower? Oh,
in the bag.
thank you. Yeah, put it in my bag. There we go. Oh, I will treasure it. I will treasure it forever. Thank you. Hey, Dragon.
Yeah?
Do you think you can leap across this giant pool to the sandy beach over there? See that right there?
Yeah,
Can you do it? See if you can do it. Ready? Go. Oh. It made
I
it.
broke my scale.
He broke his scales. Oh no, hopefully I don't break my horns. All right, here I come. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wahoo! He landed right on the gravel.
The dragon went farther though. Ready?
Oh.
Yep, the dragon definitely went farther than El Toro Loco. Oh, look, bro, his flower. Look, Axel, his flower. It just came out right here. I could just put it right back in there. There we go.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go up here.
Look at this ramp.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow.
Ooh, what's over there?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, that hurt, Dragon.
I have healing fire.
Oh, breathe your healing fire on me. Oh, I feel better already. Come on.
Me too. Jump,
Look, I'm
flower.
scaling this wall like all the way up vertically.
I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly.
Oh, because you got flower power, huh?
No, because dragons have wings.
Oh, dragons have wings, eh?
Axel, look, there's a fish right there. You guys go down and check it out.
The sand
Hold on, wait.
That's crazy. Swam away! I had it in my hands! Wait. Let me get it started. He's under the monster right now. You know? Here, move your hand. Let's see. It's still right there! Put your hand right there. No. Hey, use the other hand, slide this hand down there like that. Slide down, there you go. Look at that. He's hiding on your foot now. Look at him. I wonder why it doesn't want to leave this pool. That's crazy. Here. You guys, this little fish keeps hiding under the monster truck. So cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. What kind of fish is that? So cool.
You got it.
You got it? Oh, you caught it. Man, look at this, you guys.
It's a sandfish or something.
It's crazy looking. That is so cool. Here, let's go let it go where we found it, okay? Alright. We're gonna let the fish go again. Here you go. Let him go. Hold on. I think the fish likes me. It keeps going to my feet.
Grab the fly, Harvey.
Yeah, okay, alright you guys, this just swam out of the fish's mouth.
I think the fish, it just ate that. It's a little, some sort of little insect larvae. And it just came out of the fish's mouth. It's crazy.
Alright you guys, so we're done with the monster trucks and now Axel's riding his bike. And I'm trying to chase him. You're getting pretty good at that, bro. gonna keep riding, bro? We're gonna keep riding, you guys. I'm gonna keep running, and Axel's gonna keep riding his bike. He is learning to ride his bike, and he's doing really well. Alright, well, you guys get out. Use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. Ooh, huckleberries, red huckleberries. Oh, man. Oh, yes, red huckleberries, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah, so delicious. There's so many here right now. These are good wild foods, you guys. Red huckleberries. Hey, if you guys live in the Pacific Northwest, get out. See if your parents will take you on a hike somewhere. There's bound to be some red huckleberries somewhere right now. Alright, well, we'll see you later. Bye.